Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post photos and videos on your Threads app. So guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before you open your Threads app, the first step that you need to take is to give permission to your Threads app to access your phone gallery. To do that, you go over to your settings, then you tap on apps and notification. Then you tap on apps management, you can see it at the top. Then you scroll downwards to look for your Threads app. There's the Threads app, then you tap on it. Then you tap on permission. Then you tap on storage. Then what you have to do is to toggle on the storage option so that your Threads app will be able to access your storage. Your storage contains your photos, your videos and every other thing. So let me toggle it on. So guys, this step I just took you through might be different from yours because you might be using a different phone, and also sometimes you don't need to go through all this process, because whenever you're opening an app for the first time and you want to upload a photo or a video, they will ask you for permission to access your photos and your video. So guys, after you're done with this, now you go over to your Threads app, you tap on your Threads app to open it. So guys, this is our Threads interface. So guys, you want to make a post, you want to post a video or a photo, what you have to do is to tap on the pen and paper icon at the bottom. You can see it there, it's at the middle. Tap on it. So guys, this is where you actually make your post. You can go ahead to write a text, write a message. This is a tutorial video. So guys, for you to actually add your photos and your videos, what you have to do is to tap on the clip icon. You can see it there, it shows that there is an attachment, so you tap on it. So guys, as you can see now, it has directed us to our phone gallery. You can see here we have our photos and our videos. You can go ahead to choose videos and photos that you want to upload. So guys, it's also important to take note of this. You can upload up to 10 photos or 10 videos. Let me show you guys. Let me choose 10 photos already. You can see I've taken 10 photos. You can tap on done at the top. So guys, you can see now, you can see our photos. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, we have 10 photos here. You can also add 10 videos. Let me add 10 videos. Let me tap on add to thread. Tap on it. Then you tap also on the clip again, the clip icon. You tap on it. Let me choose 10 videos. 1, 2, 3. Let me scroll downwards so I get videos. 4, 5, 6. I've chosen 6 already. 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, once you're done, if you want to choose the 11th one, it won't allow you. 10 is the maximum. So let me tap on done at the top right corner. So guys, you can see now we have our videos here. So that you can see them, they are loading. We have 10 videos. You can see the videos. You can see them. These are the videos. This is so amazing. This is one feature I like about this Threads app. So guys, once you're done adding your photos and your videos, what you have to do now is to tap on the post icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it's showing posting. You can also view it as it's posting. You can see it. So guys, once your posts have been uploaded and you want to find it, what you have to do is to tap on your Threads profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then this is where you're going to find your post, the threads that you've made. You can see it here, it's under threads. So guys, this is how you actually post your photos and your videos, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.